Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to create a text like this. So first we need to go to the font. This is the name of the font we will use in this video. So go ahead and download it. I already explained how to download fonts earlier in this course. Now we need to add the image. Any image I use will be included with the course. So we select the text tool to start typing. I will type design. This is just an example. You can type whatever you like. Now I change the text color to white. And I will add another image. This one right here. Now I unlock its layer, then I drag it and I put it over the text, like this. Then right click on its layer, then I select create clipping mask. And here we are. I adjust it like this. I rotate it a little bit. I rotate the image, not the text. Then I will go to blending options. I select this option and I set the settings like this. I leave the depth at 115%, size at 9 pixels, and soften at 12 pixels. And I leave the rest as it is. Of course, you can put the same settings I did, or you can put your own settings. It's totally up to you. Now we move to the inner shadow. And I set the settings like this. The opacity at 10%. And I make 13 pixels in here. And 14% in the choke. And in the size I will make it 54% pixels, sorry. And now we move to the drop shadow option. I select the black color. Then I set these settings. And as I said, you can follow me or put your own settings dependent on your own vision. I'll make 24% in the opacity, 40 pixels in the distance, and I will put 24% in the spread and 16 pixels in the size. Then we click OK, and here we are. Now I put these two layers in a folder, this one and this one. I select them both. I click on the first layer, then control from the keyboard to select the other one as well. Then I put them in a folder. Now I will rotate the text. Then I adjust its position and size. Now I will add some leaves over the text. I hide the text folder. Then I will use this tool to cut this leaf like this. I copy it like this, right click, then I select layer via copy. Sorry, first I need to unlock the layer. Now I right click and layer via copy. Now I put the leaf layer over the text folder so that the leaf appears over the text. Now I will cut this leaf too, using the same way, same tool. I copy it again, right click and layer via copy. Then I put its layer over the folder as well. Then I show the text folder, and here we are, the text appears under the two leaves. So this is the final look of our design. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.